My name is Scott Holloway with Bartec USA. I'm the CEO. We are a company that primarily focuses on the service and maintenance of tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS. We're an OE-based company. Since 1992, we've had our equipment and tools in all the automotive assembly plants worldwide. And the advantage that gives us is that we're bringing an OE-level understanding and expertise to the automotive aftermarket. We have a complete range of TPMS tools that vary in function all the way from a base model activation programming tool to a high-end connectivity to the internet, Wi-Fi updatable, wireless type tool. The whole approach to TPMS service is typically we look at it from a process point of view. In other words, we understand the complexity of TPMS and we create solutions that make the process much more simpler and easier to replicate if you're a technician. So being that it is complex, if you're a first time or a new technician, it's hard to understand, or maybe you don't know all the steps. We kind of take care of that and build that functionality into the process. We developed a sensor called Right Sensor. We figured, how could we make it easier to use for our customer? So we developed a process called Right Sync. Now what Right Sync is if you understand how TPMS works, if you're using a replacement sensor that's programmable, that's a step. That's something you have to do. You have to take a tool and program the sensor to fit a certain application. So that's one step. Another step is if you're doing TPMS service at all, let's say you've replaced the sensor, you have to do another step. It's called the Tpms Relearn. That's where we go and we activate the sensors and then program to the car those new IDs that you've introduced by installing a new sensor on a wheel and tire. What we did, or what Right Sync does, is it combines those two steps into one. That makes it much more simpler for the technician to be able to actually complete the service. We do lots of tech support, and we've heard over the years that programmable sensors come with challenges. We've heard technicians say, I didn't even know the sensor needed to be programmed, or they may have programmed it incorrectly. Well, by using Right Sync and our tools and our sensor, it basically made it foolproof and wrapped it all up into one easy, repeatable process. Our entire concept or approach, if you will, is own the wheel well. We help our customers own the wheel well. What that means is we offer a complete range of products that relates to tire service. Now we focus on TPMS, but we also do things like tread depth measurement. We can test air pressure. We have tools that help you fill tires. We offer a complete range of OE TPMS sensor service kit replacement, valve replacement, caps and cores. But most notably, we have a product called the Right Sensor. It's a programmable replacement TPMS sensor. And what's unique about it is that it covers 95% of the vehicles that are on the road, and it's programmable. So instead of having to keep hundreds of different part numbers and types of sensors in stock, a shop can just keep one part number, our part, in stock, and then they use our tool to program the sensor to be appropriate or applicable to that vehicle. So it's a big cost savings, and it's an easier way to manage inventory. Bartec's recently updated our product line, and we've released 3 new tools: the Tech 600 Pro, the Tech 450 Pro, and our Tech Right Pro. Tools and information about Bartec is on our website, www.bartecusa.com. You'll find educational videos, you'll find our application guides, our coverages, tool availability, features and functions, everything you need to know about Bartec. We sell our tools primarily through distribution, and you can find our tools available through all the popular tool distributor companies.